Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Today we are going to look into DET technical process on how students start producing mobile phones from the dead mobile phones. And here I'll be showing you later on the steps that students can take so that they can produce a quality based mobile phones for the customers, and what are the tools that they use also. So here we are going to look into this process.
Well, this is David Agor, the one of the students from DET Technical, who has successfully showcased his skills and is now able to repair all types of mobile phones and every kind of fault that is found in the mobile phones. And he says that one of the steps that a student need to take when you wanted to repair or replace any kind of component or a spare part from the mobile phone is to boost your power first, power source I mean. You boost your battery before anything, and then after that, like for example, is trying to work on the screen replacement. And one of the first thing to do when you receive your order of the screen is to first test your screen if it is working before you remove the sealing paper. And after you realize that the screen is working, you go ahead and try to put out the glue so that you can fix it up. And here, as you can see, the screen has successfully worked. And the next step is to clean your frame body. Make sure that it is well straightforward, and you have to level it. You have to straighten any disorganized part before you put your screen. Make sure you clean your frame, and after that you put your glue. Yes, and you have to know what kind of glue are you going to use so that you can fix your screen. I've realized that most of the technicians use super glue, and when we come to disassembling process, we have a lot of challenges that we face when disassembling such a devices. You will find that because the super glue has no any spirit that can melt it out. So here you have to use the right glue for the screens. Yes, as you have seen here, this is what he's doing here. Put your glue, and then later on you fix it before it dries up. Naongeza Now here, after you have made sure that you have put the glue all around the edges, now try to fix your screen. And we are going to see what it's going to do after it fixes the screen. Is it going to leave it just like that, or is it going to tie it up with something so that it can fix and stay for long. So we have to consider this aspect. Now, after you fix your screen, you're going to tie it up with salt tape so that you leave it for a time, it can dry up. Because when you leave it like that, it's not going to fit well. Because one of the mistakes that technicians do, sometimes we have made a lot of experience of mobile phones that are brought to us whereby screens are plugged out, and that is due to a relevant way of gluing it. So here, when you wanted to replace the screen, you have to make sure that you have tied and put it for some time so that it can dry. And as you have seen here, after that, after 30 minutes of time, it's now trying to remove the salt tape so that to see now if the screen or the phone can work successfully. Now you can go ahead and tighten up your screws. Yes, fix it.
Niweke hii kwanza.
Now the device has successfully worked, and here you're ready to go. So here we say thank you very much for watching, and we encourage each and everyone to subscribe.